Alrighty. Oh, hey guys. Meals.
Who's guys? Who's in the fridge? Who are you talking to?
Uh,
No way. Out of the fridge.
It's the subscribers.
Nope. You're coming with me. I'm taking over Meals in Motion. This is a hostile takeover. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Meals in Motion. I'm Joe, and today we're gonna be cooking soup. We're making Chicken Joe soup. Chicken Joe. You guys thought that Heather was the only one that cooked in this bus. Well, you were right. So, come on. Trigger warning. Behind my head is raw chicken. Pause the video. Go check out the description below. First things first. Where do we start? There's only one place to start. Yeah. That's right. I wash my hands before I cook. I'm so tired. Okay. So where do we start with this? Well, obviously, you start with your pot. This is the only thing you're gonna need. This is a one-pot soup. We're gonna prep our chicken first.
Guys, I'm still here. Don't worry.
She's still here. Heather's gonna take over the rest of the series, but you hide in my fridge one more time, and we're gonna have a problem. Chicken. Probably want to tenderize it though. You probably want to tenderize it. So now you're gonna season this. Salt. Where any good meal starts. Salt and pepper. Cayenne. Oh. Garlic powder. Basil. Crushed red pepper for sure. It is. So now that you have your seasoned chickens, let's turn it over to the pot. Olive oil. You're gonna coat the bottom of the pot in olive oil. We're gonna cook the chicken right in the pot. This will be the first step. Be generous. We'll put that on a medium heat. We're putting these in. We're just gonna drop them on. If you need to, do it in batches. All right, so we'll do like 4 to 5 minutes on both sides, and then we're gonna remove them from the heat. So we're gonna let that cook for a second and clean up our station while we're doing that. No, I have my circadian rhythms are perfect. It's more of a curse than a gift. It's like a steady bongo beat inside of me at all times. Did I mention it was spicy gnocchi? I might have used too much cayenne. While that's cooking, you're gonna want to prep your shallots. Shallot. Okay, you take your shallots. We're gonna flip. Look at the nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a good sear. Look at that. Yeah, we don't usually cook with the cayenne. And it's oh my god, it's in the air now. That's good. If you're working with fresh garlic, you're also going to want to crush and dice up your garlic as well. I'm just going to scoop it out of the jar that we have though. That's going to be your next step once this is done cooking. It's going to be good, trust me. My wife can't breathe. We might not be doing this right. No, I mean, it's going to come out good. I'm not worried. If the cayenne gets too much, if you use too much cayenne and you can't breathe, you could always add a little bit of white pine juniper berry Lysol to your meal, and it'll neutralize the cayenne. Bruh. It's kind of crazy. So we're out of propane mid-cook, which is okay. We are parked at a gas station right now, so I'm gonna go get some propane. All right, I'm gonna go change the propane. This is going great. Everything is okay. That's cooked. Which means those are cooked. I've never cooked in this pot before. Might be the last time. I'm gonna wash that out. I'm gonna rinse that. You're gonna add just a little bit of oil in here to cook the shallots. And as that oil heats up, we're gonna put in our shallots, our diced shallot, like a tablespoon-ish of garlic. Stir that around. Now, once that's all done, you're gonna take like 2 hearty tablespoons of tomato paste. 2. Add your sun-dried tomatoes. You're gonna stir that all up. A good mix going on. Really incorporate the tomato paste with the shallots and the garlic. It's chicken broth time, and you're gonna add a lot of this. This is soup, right? Be super generous, like the whole thing. And you're gonna stir that up. You're gonna add in some heavy cream. Too much? You think half a cup? I'll list.
Start with half a cup.
All right, I'll do that for now. We're gonna be healthy with our Parmesan cheese, but let's just give that like a big fistful. And then lastly, you're gonna add in some butter to this. It's a soup. Is that too much? Let's do half of that. We're gonna stir this up. All right, so you're gonna let this simmer on a medium-low for like 20 minutes, and then we're gonna add all the other goodness after. While this is cooking for 20 minutes, I went ahead and I shredded all of the chicken. Now you can dice it up, you can cube it, whatever you want to do, but I just chose to shred it. And we have our gnocchi ready. Spinach. 1 big handful of spinach should do. And those are the last things that are going into the pot, is your chicken, your gnocchi, and your spinach. That's really good. It's actually great that you guys are here. And if you like this type of content, or whether this soup ends up being good or not, why don't you subscribe and follow along for more videos. Yummy. Now comes time to add your ingredients. So you're just gonna come over to the pot and gently put in all your chicken. Maybe I'll just add the whole thing. Maybe like this much spinach. Add this much. Now we're gonna set our timer. You're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes so the gnocchi can soak in all the goodness. Anyway, I think this is gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, moment of truth. Chicken Joe. It's gonna be hot. That's really good. That's like really good.
Sorry. It just got like spicy. Sorry, I just got
It's like the worst reveal. No one's gonna make this meal now.
Sorry. It's really good. It's like
Is it?
I think it's just hot, but it has like a really good flavor.
Look at the camera and say what a straight face.
It has a really good flavor.
I really like it. Genuinely honest, like I'm very pleased with this.
It's very like hearty and comforting. If we weren't in Southern California in 80 degrees, maybe I have a, different take on it. But if you're looking for a cozy meal for like cold weather, it's definitely what you should do. But it's really good. It's really delicious. You did a really good job.
Well, I like it. But anyway, that's Chicken Joe soup. We're gonna eat now.